Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe something you received for free. Yes.
Well, I have received many things free in my life, but here I will describe the thing that I have received free from my uncle. That was a mobile phone. I received it on my birthday. That was conducted on last year. Uh, I needed the mobile phone because I lost it before my birthday. As my uncle came to my birthday, he gifted me an Apple mobile phone, and it was a great full event for me to get such type of free thing. So I enjoyed that birthday very much. I was very happy to receive that kind of thing as a free because it's a human nature. Getting a free thing, free anything is better than
Okay, thank
buying
you so
anything.
much. It's better than before, but you're taking long pauses within your cue card presentation. So try to elaborate the points and don't stop, because when you stop, examiner will take you to speaking part 3. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go on to speaking part 3 now. Why do some companies give free gifts to their customers?
Some companies should give gifts to some of their customers. If they give gift to their customer, then it's a better attraction for the others.
There is
As
no clarity in your answer. There is
I
no
think.
information. You just say, why do company give free gifts to their customer? Companies give free gifts to their customers for their marketing, because
Oh,
whenever they give away certain gifts, it's a good source of advertisement for the company. Secondly, to get customer loyalty, they offer them something like that. Okay. All right. One last question. Do you like the concept of buy one get one free?
yes, I like this kind of concept because I recently get a free shoes. Uh, I I and my family visited a shopping mall, and there was a deal that if you buy two shoes, you can get a free shoes, and I needed that kind of shoes because it was a hiking shoes, and I was very
Okay,
happy
thank
to.
you so much. So you need
Yeah.
to focus your grammar, fluency, pronunciation, and practice is going to make you perfect.
Oh,
Okay,
thank you.
thank you so much.